What's up, everyone? Today I'm playing Build a Boat, and
I'm Mateo's cousin.
yeah. Okay, really, let's build. Let's build. Let's build.
Plus 4 motion speed, I make this thing.
Really, look at this. It's parkour. Huh? It's hardcore also. Ah. Oh yeah. Also, make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you like this video. Oh wait, really, reach a portal to get a checkpoint. Oh no, I died. I died. Wait, the white team is doing AFK farm till I think. Oh my god. No, really, that's cheating. That's cheating. Really, did you read the rules?
Yes, I did.
But if you reach the portal, you can use the jetpack. Oh wait, I should. I can do my. Oh wait, Oh, Relene.
Oh, I see him.
They want a parkour. They want a parkour. Oh yeah, because they're not on our team. Actually, put isolation mode on.
What's that?
Oh, go in teams, and then the settings, and then isolation mode.
I don't know if it's a player or not.
Okay.
So they can't get here.
It was
They
a
said
player.
yay, but wait. They said yay, and then oh. Hey, Relene. Wait, Relene, go in the green portal. Go in the green portal.
I just heard a
Go in the green portal. Go in the green portal. Yo. Oh my god.
Oh, no.
Okay.
I'll go.
Oh yeah, do you want a PvP? Or never mind. Oh my god, really? Some still survive. Oh, you don't want to get those, really. You don't want to get those. You don't want to get those.
Mateo.
What?
Yes, that's that. I will take it again.
Wait.
Now we'll have that one.
Wait.
Yeah, see, it wasn't behind you.
I want to finish.
Wait, there was a guy behind you, but he came later. Because he killed him when he respawned.
Really, get wheels. Get wheels like these. How much gold do you have? How much gold do you have?
3, 6, 1, 13.
Just give me the cord.
3, 6, 1. Okay, get these wheels. Get these wheels.
Is it near the field?
Side to side,
Near the haymaker?
side to side, side. Oh my god. Okay.
He's past the field.
Watch my move. What to do now? Oh, watch my move. Okay. OMG.
see what you're talking about now.
Da-
Yeah, the little like
da-
tiny
da-
grove.
da- da- Oh, hello. Hello, hello, lo, 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 lo. Oh, hello, lo, lo.
On top of the hill, right?
Mateo, I
Oh,
have that.
hello.
That
Oh, hello, hello, lo, lo, la,
The
la.
grove on top of the hill, right?
Hello, wow, wow, wow. And
Wait, it was the grove on top of the hill, right?
wait, Relene. I'ma capture them. Relene,
On top of the
Relene,
hill, the little tree
just wait. You
Mateo,
just.
see, I have them already.
line. Am I heading towards
See,
it?
I have them already.
Okay.
But is he here? Like on top
Oh
of the
no,
hill?
I'm now. Ah, let me out. Yes, yes. Oh, hello there, guys. And I came to you. They don't know what's coming.
Behind me? There's not.
See.
I didn't hear a crack. Where is it?
Never mind. It's this team.
Barry? Oh, 5:30.
Go back, Mateo.
But they're not there. Okay, I'ma start like. What is this person jumping? Where is this person jumping? Okay. Dum ba bum ba dum ba dum bum 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 bum.
Who's the second guy? Is he near where I am right now?
Restrain.
I see
Go,
him.
we're back.
Wait,
My
hold on, wait,
green.
that's him or not.
Not telling
No,
is
that's not him. To my left or right? I'm facing you. Oh, I'm facing you. To my left or right? Am I heading in the right direction? In the field?
oh, you wanna go? Isolation mode. Put isolation mode, Relene. Put isolation mode.
They can't see
Wait,
anything.
hold on. Look.
Relene, put isolation mode, 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 mode. Yeah, we don't want anybody distracting us. So, what do you want to build?
Where I'm heading?
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is my monster truck. I haven't finished it yet, but hop on. Wait, wait, wait. Wait, don't place a chair. I will. I will.
Like where I am right now.
Oh, wait, also. Wait, us.
Oh, so where I'm at right now.
This secret is so powerful. Oh, they're trying to get in. Wait, no, wait, 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 wait. I need to add something. Oh, no. Oh, no.
What about the second guy? I wouldn't risk it. I would not risk it.
Okay, go. Da na 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 na. Oh, we just got one in it. Okay, let's go. Da na 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 na. Whee! Okay, I gotta go slow. I gotta go slow. Oh, no! I can't believe it. Wait. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, this does nothing. Oh, relate. Relene,
Oh, he was
if
here.
you stay in this game for 3 hours, you could be a member. And then for like, wait, if you stay for 9 hours, you could be a Royale member.
I see the rock.
Like me, like me, like me.
Oh, by the where the forest starts.
Me. What?
Go with the second
Okay.
one, here.
So, oh yes, wait, no, Relene, stop. Relene, stop. There's a harpoon on it. There's a harpoon on it.
Lower your
Don't let me. Okay. Oh. Anyways, they're gonna get inside. They're not gonna get inside. Yeah, they're not gonna get inside.
Oh, I see him.
Oh wait. Wait, Relene. Wait a minute, Relene. Just wait. Look what I'm gonna do this guy.
Guess what?
To this
You're gonna
guy.
be disappointed.
Relene, let him in. 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 Oh, let him in. Relene, for real, let him in. So I could thruster him.
Oh, he was like so
That's that. That's that.
No, that's good. Look at this water. What?
Okay, steal it. Steal it. Steal
Wait, is
it.
everything done? The mission?
Okay.
Oh, it's done? Oh.
Okay, isolation mode. Isolation. I do it a lot. It won't work. It won't work. Relene, isolation mode. I don't know how to say it. Isolation mode.
Are you gonna go pick up duct tape?
You got to control it. Wait, Relene, I can do it. They're trying to fly. Like M. Relene. Look. I know, but look.
Oh, God.
Oh yeah, also this guy doesn't know that it won't work.
I saw it.
No! Mine. Wait. I'm gonna place a chair. Have you flown? I mean, flying this one? Okay. Whee! Yeah. It's almost about to end. What's a role play? Okay, guys. So that will be it today. So